Hello guys, welcome to Ewaleifoh family
TV.
We are back again with another
Video.
Guess what guys? We are eating again. Guys, we are eating rice, concoction rice. I hope you guys remember. You guys, you know what is concoction rice. Here we have tilapia fish, we have egg, we have king prawns, we have so on and so forth. This rice is big. This rice is big. Guys, we start waiting much of the time.
So before
pray.
we start eating, we have to pray. Father, bless this food in Jesus' name.
Amen.
I bless the viewer, bless the subscriber,
Amen.
bless the hand that cook it in the mighty name of Jesus.
Amen and amen.
And amen. So we have to start eating now, guys. Come and join us.
Guys, it's not a competition. We just want to eat. Bring your plate, come closer and come and eat with us. Guys, for my subscribers, I say thank you and God bless you so much. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please guys subscribe. Support these people, support the guys, support this beautiful family.
My wife said it's not a competition. For me, it's a competition. Who eats more? So
okay.
Let's go.
My husband said who eats more. We have to do it soon.
So guys, you have to comment it. Who eats more?
Guys, comment down below who you think is who eats more. And guys, please support a sister. Tell a sister to tell a sister. Hit the notification button. So when I upload a video, you will be the first.
Guys, come and join us.
Guys, come closer for the first bite. Now you get it. Guys, I want to focus on the fish. Guys, look at that.
Guys, if you cannot join us, go and put pot on fire. Cook your jollof rice.
Concoction rice.
See, this is egg.
Guys, I drink water a lot. Water is life. You guys know about that.
Water is life. And what is wine?
I don't know. For me, water is life. What is wine?
Wine is enjoyment. Wine is happiness.
Wine is nothing. For you, it's good for you, but for me, because they say one man's meat is another man's poison. This is my treasure.
Water is life. Why wine is happiness? When you are happy, everything about you moves smoothly.
Guys, comment down below if you think wine is happiness.
That is it. My brother, no doubt about that. When you are happy, everything about you moves smoothly. When you are angry, you keep on making mistakes. Things go wrong. So guys, I'm always happy. When you take this, you don't take it for to fight or whatever. You take it just to be happy. I'm always happy. If you want to be happy, just take a glass of wine.
Guys, water is big. I love it. Guys, look at that. Guys, remember to comment down below who you think is the more eater. Who eats more?
Who is the more eater? It's me, without that in it.
Guys, I think it's me.
No.
Guys, look at that. I come closer. Look at it very well. This one, the first bite, now me get that. Guys, you remember I told you guys yesterday when I'm eating, take a plate, come closer, let's eat together. Don't watch me eat alone. We'll eat together. It's very fun. Like one big family.
Guys, as you can see, it's going.
The mountain was like this. Now we are taking it down. Guys, come closer again for the second bite. Now you get time.
Guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. God bless you.
I should do that. Guys, do not mind the noise in the background. They are my kids. They are on holidays.
I always love to eat egg. Why? Because let me stop it there.
Guys, don't remember.
My wife understands everything. Later. She will hear this sound. And I love that sound.
Guys, don't buy my own baby.
The sound is very funny. I'm amazing.
Mommy? Can I test it? No, you can ruin the video.
So my son want to eat. So you want to test it?
Don't eat. That's it.
That is not for children.
Yes, I know.
You can't test that. So you have to go.
No,
You want to eat more rice?
I just want that thing to
No.
test it.
You can't test that.
I can test with the water.
Alright guys, we have come to the end of the video. Be sure to like, share and subscribe and hit the notification button. So when next I upload
Don't forget
the
to
video,
come and eat.
you will be the first to be notified. Bye
Okay.
Bye bye.
Bye.